Hey YouTube and Amazon. I just wanted to throw out this quick video highlighting the no contact voltage testing feature of this little multimeter. And when I say quick, I mean quick. So here I have the light hanging from the ceiling via its support straps. No voltage sensed. Come down here, toggle the position of the light switch. And there's voltage. This is a good indicator. Do not bet your life on this technology. Feel free to use the probes and the voltage setting to double dog check that you have no voltage.